How to download songs on Beat Saber.
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video on how to download songs on Beat Saber. In this video, I will guide you through the process step by step, so you can start enjoying new songs and expand your Beat Saber experience. Let's get started.
Finding and installing Beat Saber mods.
The first step in downloading songs for Beat Saber is to install mods that allow you to add custom songs to the game. Here's what you need to do. 1. Launch the Beat Saber game on your computer or VR headset. 2. Exit the game and navigate to the Beat Saber modding community website or the modding platform of your choice. 3. Find and download the Beat Saber Mod Manager. This tool will help you install and manage mods for the game. 4. Install the Mod Manager by following the provided instructions. Make sure it is properly installed before moving on to the next step.
Downloading custom songs.
Now that you have the Mod Manager installed, it's time to download custom songs for Beat Saber. Here's what you need to do. 1. Launch the Beat Saber Mod Manager that you installed in the previous section. 2. Navigate to the Song Browser section within the Mod Manager interface. 3. Browse the available songs and use the search filters to find songs that interest you. You can filter by various criteria such as difficulty, genre, or popularity. 4. Select the song you want to download by clicking on it. 5. Click the Download button to initiate the download process. The Mod Manager will handle the downloading and installation of the song for you.
Playing custom songs in Beat Saber.
Once you have downloaded your desired songs, it's time to play them in Beat Saber. Here's what you need to do. 1. Launch the Beat Saber game on your computer or VR headset. 2. Select the Solo game mode from the main menu. 3. Navigate to the Custom Songs section within the game. 4. Browse through your downloaded songs and select the one you want to play. 5. Choose your desired difficulty level for the selected song. 6. Start the game and enjoy playing your newly downloaded custom song in Beat Saber. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to download songs on Beat Saber. By following the steps in this video, you can now expand your Beat Saber library with a wide variety of custom songs. Enjoy the new beats and keep slashing those blocks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.